Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss union in C programming. So let's get started. A union is a collection of different elements just like structure. A union is a user-defined data type similar to structure except for one difference, and that is structure allocates enough space to store all its members, whereas union allocates the space only to the largest member. So we can say that in union all members share the same memory location. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of union. Guys, this is the syntax of union and we are using another keyword, and that is union. So in the syntax of union, we need to mention union and then union name. And after that, we will use different data types here. And I am taking an example of union student. And I am using different data types for this student: integer roll number, character section, and float percentage. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, and let's discuss how to access members of a union. Guys, we can use dot operator to access the members of a union, and to access pointer variables we use the arrow operator. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss an example of union. Guys, this is an example of union and I have declared an union student here in the main function. There are two members of this union student A and B, and S1 is the union variable. And now I am assigning 12 to member A and 23 to B. And guys, as we know that union members share the same memory location, so the value of A and B will be 23. So if I print the values of A and B by using these printf statements, so we will get 23 and 23. Now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you the working of this union program. Guys, in this program, I have declared a union student and there are two members A and B, and I am assigning A to 12 and B to 23. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the values of A and B 23 and 23 because union members share the same memory location. So 12 will be replaced by 23 because the latest value is 23. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.